Welcome back, Flare community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. Are the RFLR rewards ending? Do we have another token to reward us coming in the near future? Well, we're just about to find out, so let's jump in. Recently, in fact it was yesterday, the Flare team announced that there is just one more RFLR reward distribution on the way, wrapping up Flare Improvement Proposal 09, the catalyst for Flare DeFi. And we've seen this to huge success as the TVL for the Flare network has skyrocketed in the past couple of months. They said, what's next for Flare? We're going to be announcing that tomorrow, which is actually today. Too long didn't read, you are still early. So it does seem like there is something up their sleeves. We're going to find out today, but there is something that I did want to draw your attention on here. So I did share this post that we just went through, and it seems like there is some ambiguity with that post. So I referenced two particular documents here, and they both reference different RFLR distribution schedules. So the question is, will RFLR be used in new ways? Is the Flare fair over? And is this something to do with the imminent launch of XRP-Fi and F assets? We're going to find out, but let's jump into these documents, and we see this one here. This is the original Flare Improvement Proposal 09 to introduce RFLR protocol emissions. And this was actually created back in June of 2024. Now, if we scroll down here, what we can see is their emissions schedule. So scrolling down, we can see that this does increase each and every month and ends in July 2025, which is where we are right now. But if we fast forward here to a different document here provided by Flare, this is an updated one from September of 2024, where the last one was actually back in June. Now we can scroll down here. It elaborates on some of the opportunities that we've all been using and compounding for a long time. And this is what it says here in this particular document. RFLR emissions, the epoch's schedule. And this one touts to conclude the RFLR distributions in May of 2026. So there is some discrepancy there. Now, I'm not sure if RFLR will continue or if it's going to be a different type of emissions program, but I guess we're just going to find out, and they are going to be telling us exactly what this new reward scheme is all about. Now, before we wrap up here, I do want to ask if you would like to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, if you are interested in joining the Patreon, there is no better time because I will be revealing my personal strategies on how to maximize yield on the Flare network, especially with the launch of XRP-Fi. It's going to be very interesting and very fun. So with that in mind, I would like to thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Do have yourself an incredible day as always. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.